welcome to another episode of Ronya Space Program, and we're gonna talk about the largest planet in the solar system. It's Jupiter. Jupiter, it's the largest planet in the solar system and the fifth planet from the Sun. It takes 12 years to orbiting a sun, and the day on Jupiter is about 9 hours and 56 minutes. It's much shorter than a day on Earth. Oh my, look, the year is about 12 years. I'm only 12 years old, so I'll be 1 year old on this planet. Oh my god, but it's only 9 hours in one day. It's very faster than our Earth. Our Earth is 24 hours in one day. 9 hours? What does that mean? The distance between Jupiter and Earth is about 588 million kilometers. And distance between Jupiter and the Sun is about 778 million kilometers. Jupiter is the biggest planet in the solar system, and its radius is about 69,911 kilometers. That means 1,300 Earths can fit inside it, and 1,000 planet size of Jupiter can fit inside the Sun. Jupiter is about 2.5 times much more massive than all the planets in the solar system. Jupiter is actually so massive that if it gains much more mass, it will shrink. Such a big and much more massive planet that every planet can fit inside it. Wow! The temperature of this planet is about minus 145 Celsius degrees. But such a cool, but let's see. The temperature of near planet's center is much hotter. Oh my god, and the core temperature is about 24,000 Celsius degrees. That much hotter than the surface of a sun. The sun is about 5,777 Kelvin. The temperature of the sun, but 24,000? Wow, such a hotter. Wow. Jupiter is called a gas giant planet. Its atmosphere is made of hydrogen gas and helium gas. But Jupiter is covered with a thick red and brown, yellow, and white clouds. That makes the planet has a stripe. But it's a very beautiful planet. It looks like a rainbow with a red, white, yellow, and just a little bit of orange and brown, which is cool, amazing. Jupiter has 4 sets of rings: halo ring, main ring, amalthea gossamer ring, and thebe gossamer ring. Jupiter has 53 named moons and 26 astrological names, and scientists now think that Jupiter has 79 moons. The Galilean moons are the 4 largest moons of Jupiter, first seen by Galileo Galilei in December 1609 or January 1610, and recognized by him in March 1610. And the Galilean moons are Callisto, Europa, Ganymede, and Io. Jupiter's largest moon is a Ganymede. It's larger than planet Mercury, and it's one of my favorite moons because it's larger. But after Luna, Luna is our moon. But it's the only moon that has its own magnetic field. Ganymede's radius is about 2,634.1 kilometers. Wow, it's such a big. Oh my god! Jupiter is the largest planet, and Ganymede is one of Jupiter's moon. It's the largest moon. A big system right there. Amazing! Callisto is the second largest moon from Galilean moons, and the third largest moon in the solar system. And Io is the fourth largest moon in the solar system. But Io, it's shaped like a pizza. That so makes me hungry. Io makes me hungry. But this Io, it's the only moon that has volcanoes. And after Io, Luna, our moon, it's the fifth largest moon in the solar system. Europa is smaller than Moon, but scientists believe that this moon has a subsurface ocean around it. So this moon has a water, Europa, but Europa is a beautiful moon too, actually. One of the most famous features are a great red spot of Jupiter, but it's beautiful. It looks like scary, like a monster's eye, but it's beautiful. It's a giant spinning storm. Look, it's a beautiful red. It looks like a monster eye, but it's a spinning storm. And its widest point, it storms about 3.5 times the diameter of the Earth. Oh my gosh, it's a big, great red spot that looks like an eye. Atmospheric data for a gas giant indicates that carbon is abundant in its dazzling crystal form, which is pulsed, hardens into chunks of graphite and then diamonds. Jupiter's rings are extraterrestrial diamonds, shine bright like a diamond in Jupiter's atmosphere. This diamond ring on this planet. Jupiter being the biggest planet in the solar system. It's named after a king of the ancient Roman gods. Jupiter is meaning supreme god. Jupiter's gravity is supreme as well. If a person stands on the top of a cloud on Jupiter's atmosphere, it will be 2.4 times the force of gravity of surface on the Earth. If a person weigh on Earth, it will be 45 kilograms, and weigh on Jupiter 119 kilograms. The end, and thanks for watching this episode from Ronya Space. I will see you soon from next other episodes. Have a good time.